All right, YouTube, we're going to have a mini unboxing today. There's 3 items here. I'm not even sure one of them's a coin, but we're going to open that one first. So we'll see what this sucker is. But maybe it's a coin. Maybe it's not. Who knows? We'll find out here very shortly. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's a pull tab. Let's see if we got a coin in here. Like I said, I'm not sure what this one is. The order, they don't call it Samazon around here for nothing. So my wife's over there laughing because she's the one that named it Samazon. So we'll see if this is a Samazon thing or if it's a coin. So we don't know for sure. I'm not 100% sure at this point. And I'll try not to cut myself with the skizzers. Let's see what we got in here today. Oh, it's wrapped in here. Another thing. Let's see if we can get this sucker unleashed. We got it unleashed. Let's see if we got a coin in here. Oh, it looks like a coin. It's from the Midwest Rarities. Ooh, sweet. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. The only 3-cent silver piece that ever had a mint mark on it. It's the 1851 O. It is a Type 1 first year, and it has a O mint mark that is located right there. If you can see it, hold on. Let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. See that? It has a O right there for New Orleans. But yeah, this is a 1851 first year of issue. Oh, Fine 15 PCGS. Very, very cool. Happy to add to the collection. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Glad it came. Glad I got it. I'm going to open this one last. I know what's in here. At least I didn't expect such a large package to arrive from that. And that was an eBay find, by the way. That 1851 O. I've been looking for the right one for a while, and that one just struck my fancy, and that's the one I bought. So I know what's in here. Like I said, I'm really shocked that it's in such a large box. But let's see what we got. This is from one of my fellow friends at Constant Coins and Collectibles on Facebook. And his name is Mr. Derek E. And cool guy, great dealer. If you ever get the chance to deal with him, I would highly recommend it. As you can see, it's not very light, so it should be exactly what I'm expecting in here. Let's find out. Let's find out. Inside we got a nice little colored envelope. Look at that. Isn't that cool color? Probably going to reuse this one because it's so nice. And then he stuck it in another envelope. Look at that, Derek. Heck of a guy. I'm going to have to cut this one, make it easier for me to get this thing out of there. So this is something I wanted from my Mexico gold collection. I like the older coins that are in there. So this is a 2 pesos from 1919. This is going into my little capital holder that is now full of all the Mexican coins up to the $50 gold piece. No slot for the 1 peso, even though I do have it. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Derek. I appreciate that. Look at that, 1919. I was looking for one of the older ones to put in the album, and this is going in it. So thank you very much, Derek. Greatly appreciate it. Last but not least, this one came off of Facebook, not the Constant Coins and Collectibles. It's a coin that I've been waiting for a long time to get. Found the right one at the right price, and we added it to our collection. This one came from Mr. Chris Shaw on Facebook, double sealed, as you can see. Rightly so, because it is that important of a coin, I believe. Very rare. Only 264,000 of these made, believe it or not. And no, I did not look that up. I just know that. Can you imagine can you guess which one it is? Take a guess. I'll give you on the count of 3 to take a guess. 1, 2, 3. 1916D Mercury dime. About good 3. CAC approved. CAC approved. Look at that. Very solid date for an AG3. Very solid date for an AG3. Usually it's into the 6, and a very full D mint mark on this one as well. So just so everybody knows, even though I know a lot about these, I did not want to purchase one that was not graded. You pay just a little bit extra for one that's graded, but you need to know specifically what you're looking for. A lot of these have the added mint mark on the reverse, and it's very dangerous. You can waste a lot of money buying an ungraded coin. You'll send it in, and by the time you try and get it back to the person you purchased it from, they're gone. As you can see, it is an AG3. As you can see that the United States of America around here is eaten away on the edge, but curiously so, the mint mark is fully apparent. Usually in AG3, half of the mint mark is gone. You can just see the top of the D. If you get one just a little bit better, you can see that inside the area of the D would be a triangular shape, and it's very square on the shelves, the top and the bottom shelf of the D. So be careful with what you buy. These are very rare, 264,000 made. So yes, you can imagine that it is expensive. It's not cheap, and best of luck to y'all. This completed my Mercury dime set. The only one that I really don't have is the 1941/2D. That one's the harder one to identify. I don't have it, don't know if I ever will buy it, but I might, and if I do, I'll let y'all know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. See you, bye.